Cases of COVID-19 seem to finally be on the way down in New York City, but it took a national effort to make it all happen. 12 News' Andrew Harrison introduces us to a surgeon from Oxford who spent 2 weeks at ground zero of coronavirus in America. Dr. Joy Hughes is tonight's healthcare hero.
When the first wave of coronavirus cases crashed into America, elective surgery stopped. Dr. Joy Hughes is double boarded in critical care and general surgery. She practices in Oxford, but was soon on her way to the Bronx.
And I have some personal and professional contacts in New York who were really struggling. And so I just did what I hoped anyone would do for us.
Dr. Hughes took more than just Mississippi medical know-how to the Big Apple.
Cathead Distillery donated hand sanitizer. Oxford Paint Supply donated PPE equipment and coveralls for me, so that was really encouraging. With the support of my husband, who is a wonderful dad and watched our 2 girls for the 2 weeks, and our family support, I went up to New York.
And what a 2 weeks it was.
Worked essentially 90 to 100 hours for a couple of weeks and started a surge ICU unit there to meet the capacity, because they were overflowing with the need for ICU patients.
Older equipment was pressed back into service, but in short order, Dr. Hughes and her colleagues were meeting the medical challenge of our time. To do that, she spent 12-hour shifts locked in an ICU with 8 people who were fighting for their lives.
These patients are the sickest patients that we've ever dealt with in critical care medicine, and really it's every single one.
And while we're still in the eye of the storm, Dr. Hughes is faithful that there is a light at the end of the tunnel.
This is a marathon and not a sprint, and on down the road, I'm sure that, there will be places that are desperate for help again, and that'll just have to be a discussion between my husband and I whether or not we should answer that call once again.
Dr. Hughes has done so much already. Andrew Harrison, 12 News.
Dr. Hughes has resumed her surgical practice in Oxford. She says that her first 6 meals in New York were pizza, and there were donuts, lots of donuts.